Dog,
And the
that's
last one
insane. That is insane. Holy fuck.
I think there's only one thing left to do.
No, why would you say anything? Why would you say that? I was literally being chilling.
I'm confused where I'm supposed to be going.
Up. Nah, dog, I'm good. I don't think I want to go that way no more. You don't know me, son.
Grandpa immobilized. What the hell y'all do to him?
I stabbed him. Step happy. Shoulder check, bitch. Abby, run down the driveway.
Oh.
You can't catch me, bad boy. You can't catch me, bad boy.
Oh, don't worry, we were not going for you.
Oh.
He was lucky I was on the exact opposite side of the map. I was watching Car Battery and I heard snared my trap. I was like, ah, fuck.
Okay, swing that chainsaw, dude. That's
Swing that cock, playboy.
what I was thinking.
Stroke that thing, cuzzo. That's the same
Bounce on that thing,
It's like a meat spin.
Meat spin. We all know
I
the
just hit
person
continue.
that fucking
Yeah, just hit
put us
continue.
on meat spin the first time.
Yeah, it was you.
No, it was not. I didn't find that shit out until
was.
like
Not for me.
sophomore year. And then they sent me to fucking, what was it, like lemonsomething.com? Can't remember that one. I don't remember what was on that one, but I remember it was something terrible.
Yeah, you do.
I don't.
It was the old man one.
Was it the old man one? Damn.
Yeah, it was the old man.
I thought the old man one was just literally just called Old Men. Yo.
Now
Fucking
recording.
Craig!
Leave me alone, bruh. I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Frank, it's gonna be all on you. I'm out of stamina, hamina.
Wait, no, that's Frank.
Dude!
Why can you crawl through that?
It's part of my ability.
You are cheating. He's hacking. I'm dead. How do you have more stamina than me? How do you have more stamina than me?
I've been specifically not
Oh,
running
well,
fast
thank you.
enough that way. I have enough stamina
Ah.
to chase you.
Get away from me. Get away from me, Andrew. Stop it. Frank, please help.
No, Frank can't help you right now.
Oh, you took me out. You took me out. What you doing, bruh?
Animation takes time.
I know.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
you're hanging upside down. Hey, I know you're black, but you need to stop running like that.
What, running fast?
Run like
and shit,
what?
boy?
What in the hell does that mean? Excuse me.
What does
this
that
is mine
mean?
now.
You wanna?
Excuse me. This is mine now.
All right, let me get one. Let me get one. God damn, woman. No, we're gonna need more than two. We gone, boy. Hey, there's an armadillo right here. Did you notice this one before?
I forgot.
I
I'm
never
going for
noticed
you,
that
Blizzard
one.
boy.
It's a new one.
I
It's a
forgot
new
about Abby.
one. You forgot about Abby?
Yeah, 'cause-
Let's witness this.
that's why I said Frank is on his own. I forgot about that.
Tragic.
Oh, Frank's dead.
What in the hell am I looking at?
What the fuck?
Yo, what?
What the fuck?
What the
Oh,
fuck?
watching me?
Yeah.
Yo, what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we escaped. We're gone. What the hell?
Damn.
The house
They
is
just-
haunted.
Y'all are
by
just
specters
down
going
here.
fast.
What the hell?
Hold on, Abby.
I don't
turn
know where
around
I'm going,
again.
by the way, y'all.
What the fuck?
Look at those tatas on
Hey.
Lady in the Green. Abby, look behind you for cinematic
Oh
effects.
no,
Come
they
on.
turned the generator
Okay.
back on.
Oh, well,
Abby
you're
doesn't
screwed
know
now.
what's
Jump
Abby,
it.
you can make it.
Abby, jump
You
it.
can make it.
Jump it, Abby.
You can
Jump
make
it.
How
You
am
can
I
do
supposed to jump that?
You can
You
make
can do it.
Like this.
Jump. How do I jump?
Wow.
You jump with A
You
like
don't.
any
Abby
other
won't.
You see
game.
that? You see that yellow line? You gotta follow it back to the generator. Is that a butter knife?
Yeah. Can you believe it's not butter?
I'm gonna kill you now.
Oh,
This is literally every
You know what?
stand-up comedy show.
Hold on.
Come here, Abby. Come here.
Jump it, Abby. Jump it.
you can't kill me. I'll kill myself.
Oh my god.
I can't believe you lived that. Oh, and she did not live.
Damn.
Damn. What the fuck?
What the fuck? What the fuck was that?
No, that bitch haunted. I'm glad I didn't kill her. That motherfucker's a ghost.
Julie
Who?
is
The bitch you said is hot and has big titties
No!
that you're playing.
the character you are right now.
I never said she was
Alright,
hot.
Ice Spice.
Having big titties and being hot are two completely separate things. I could look like fucking George Bush and have big titties.
Which is why you said them in conjunction.
Ragnar got
Because
big
she
titties.
has big titties and is hot.
I never said she was hot. Let the
What about
record
Michelle Obama? You
show.
think she got knockers under there?
I get from the record. My client did not say she was hot, but she does have big titties.
Why are you a black lawyer from the 50s, dude?
Don't worry about it.
fucking scared right now.
Martin Luther King never got the head
Aren't you the
champion.
dude?
Oh yeah, I am.
You fucking idiot. You're literally the man. You're the chainsaw man.
But I had a moment of reflection.
Motherfucker, fuck
nerd.
you! Dude, I fucking hate you so much, motherfucker.
I was you know I didn't know it was you. I just saw a person crash down split second.
Yes, you did, motherfucker.
Target
Abby,
it
are
makes
you
my
Johnny?
lip on the spot.
Abby is.
She is.
Johnny on
She
the
is
spot.
Johnny on the spot.
I'll hook you up. Abby, go back and apologize to that fucking chicken.
What chicken?
Did she just kill a chicken?
She's fucking ran past
did
it and
not-
startled him.
Going that way.
Apologize to that
Abby.
chicken.
Why are you just standing there?
She's learning the game.
Trying to figure stuff out. What do I have to apologize to?
You
chicken
startled
for?
him.
Well, how about you? How about you shut the fuck up?
Damn.
What you gonna do? Jump over that thing? You can't jump over it. You're not a victim. Yeah, you can swing at it, but what's that gonna do?
Frank, next time you decide to do a skit, can you choose a bush that isn't my bush?
You are not in here with me.
Next time you try to.
Cap.
Oh, oh shit! I didn't even see you, motherfucker. You good? Dude, ain't no way.
I ain't getting slammed again.
Get around the thing, bitch! I'm just saying, the next time you decide to do a bit, check the bush.
I apologize. I didn't know you were there. I did look around in the bush, but
Is there only one of you left?
No, it's 5 of us.
Oh, okay.
Wait. Once I'm on the other
For
side,
what?
you dead.
Oh
I don't
yeah?
know
Oh
what
yeah?
doing that's gonna help, Frank. If anything, it might make your situation worse.
No, what's crazy was I had this intense music. He did that thing. It went away.
And it turned off.
shut up, man. Shut up. Shut up. Shut up. I know y'all saw that thing a little bit ago, though. I know y'all saw that shit.
Yeah, you think a lang.
Yeah,
I
my
just
little,
died, so I didn't see nothing.
my little thing-a-lang that was hanging out. Y'all didn't see that?
That's
What
all.
I'm curious though is that what you're looking at? Like, yeah, that
That?
seems like it'd be a problem then.
Nah, man,
Yeah.
that ain't no problem because I did the thing. I did the thing, so that ain't a thing no more.
Yeah.
I wouldn't doubt if he's in a corner.
Hey Frank, what's on TV?
There's
Oh, you
no
son of a
way.
bitch! Don't touch people!
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
Living life like Leland.
living like
Where
leading.
you at, Thickums?
What?
She had a stroke.
Somebody give this man insulin. Well, you know that we don't. Right?
What in the fuck?
Imagine your Leatherface and the chainsaw stops right when he's about to kill you, and all you hear is.
Are you talking about Leatherface making that noise or the victim?
Yeah, he turns off the
I feel like
chainsaw,
if
he gets right up behind you, and he's like,
Dude, if I was Leatherface and I heard that shit, I'd turn the chainsaw off and run, motherfucker. I'm not dealing
he's like,
with
what?
that.
He's like, why the fuck is this guy winking?
I saw the door that you opened and I just decided to come over.
Alright, so do you know what you're doing? Because I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh my god, holy fuck! I did not see. Okay.
See, now you
I
know what I
legit did not
mean.
see you.
Now you know what I
I
mean.
did not see you.
That's how I didn't see
Yeah,
Andrew,
okay,
motherfucker.
okay. You're like inside me. Alright, follow me.
Not gonna lie, I almost went up and pet that chicken.
She said.
How is that what she said?
Think about it.
No, I'm not thinking about it.
Dude, I can't believe you just passed me. You're so freaking goofy.
Me?
Oh. Why are you so quiet, man?
Because I'm fucking scared right now.
Bro is petrified,
fair.
man. Don't make fun of him.
Yo, I'm about to go feral.
Frank.
Like a Will Ferrell or like a.
Oh,
They're coming. They're coming.
I know. I know.
Big bang.
Yeah. Fuck you up. Ow!
Don't. You can't see me in here.
What are you doing in here? Yarn in your face.
Guard?
How do you have so much fucking stamina?
Ow.
When you're revving the chainsaw, it doesn't cost stamina.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
I'm gonna cook you real good, right? I'm gonna cook you real good.
Oh.
Dude, I'm fucking spamming
dead.
A as fast as I fucking can.
You'll never beat me in a button match, Frank. You'll never beat me. You should learn this forever, guys. You'll never beat me in that.
Dog,
The
that's
last one
insane.
left.
That is insane. Holy fuck.
I think there's only one thing left to do.
No! Why would you say anything? Why would you say that? I was literally big chilling.
Who's Leatherface?
Frank fucked me.
Who's Leatherface?
I have to get the fuck up!
You're coming with me,
It's
pretty boy.
Now it's just dying.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it just says dying.
Can we
now.
talk about
Going
this?
down to the dungeon.
That sounds very,
Right there is where fucking C4 jigged the
We
fuck
gonna
out
have
the
a good
motherfucker.
time together, pretty boy.
Do you really think I'm pretty? Wait,
Yes.
this isn't Dead by Daylight! Fuck!
Welcome to the new game. I'm in both, don't you know?
is he in the other one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, damn, that's crazy. That's crazy. Where the fuck did you come from, motherfucker?
I may have been around, boy. I knew you'd come back. I knew you'd come back.
Well, this is... It's an unfortunate set of circumstances.
Bro's scared so
Yeah.
bad he's fucking stuttering.
Like, my screen was clear, and then all
Yeah,
of
go
a
that
sudden
way,
you
go
were
that way,
just...
go that way, go that way. You got it.
Yeah. I'm, yeah.
Don't fucking scare people, please. Don't
I'm
scare
not,
people.
dude!
Don't fucking scare people, dude. Just keep on going. Okay, stand still, stand still, stand still. Stand the fuck still.
I got the cue, Frank!
Okay. Alright, you're good. They have no
Monkey.
fucking clue, man.
Ain't no shot, boy.
I don't even
Ain't
think they
no
made it back
shot,
to the
boy.
fucking house yet. That's insane that you
Ain't
ran
no
right
shot.
past Leatherface too, man.
You are silly, silly boys.
Stand still, quit running, quit running.
Shut up. I know.
Damn, you didn't tell me we got on farming, Sam.
My favorite thing is that me and Sean are just, we're locked in. We haven't said a word.
No.
Me.
Which one of you guys are Leatherface?
What he
again?
used.
Andrew.
Dude, oh my god.
Fuck you. He would be. What the fuck?
Why would you do that?
Shut up, dude.
Quit running
I'm
through
trying
shit,
my best.
Dude, quit it.
Sean, check the generator.
Since this motherfucker's just camping here, I might as well. Fuck off. You camping fucking bitch, dude.
I want
I
you to
knew you
know
were
that
there the
you were
entire
camping
time.
too. You've been sitting there the entire time. What the fuck?
I know! Y'all didn't know I was there! I've been there the whole time! Sean ran into my ass like 5 times, bro.
Yeah.
Don't say yeah like you knew I was there. You
I want you to know
didn't
that I didn't know you were
You
there.
were
I was just
crouching,
sitting here.
in the
I was.
shed for like the
I want you
longest
to know
time,
that
and then
you can't
I
call me
walked around in
camping
there.
because I
Hold
was
on,
literally
hold on.
sitting
Both
here
of you guys
for
are
the
talking.
bit.
Hold on.
He's
I
talking.
was literally sitting here for the bit that you weren't just sitting here for 20 minutes and I was going to catch you when you came back. But I'm sorry that you were just sitting in a bush the entire time. It's
I
not my
was.
fault.